Welcome to Break Bugs. In this video we are going to learn about access modifier. In object-oriented programming, an access modifier is a keyword or symbol used to control the visibility and accessibility of class members from outside the class. The four main access modifiers are typically found in many programming languages. They are public, private, protected, package, default, public, accessible from anywhere. Real-life example: consider a public park is accessible to everyone. Anyone can enter the park, enjoy its amenities, and play in the open space. Private, only accessible from within the same class. Real-time example: your personal diary is private. It is meant only for you, and others cannot read or modify its contents without your permission. Protected, accessible from the same class and its subclasses. Real-time example: in a family, the parents' savings account might be protected. The parents and their children can use the funds, but outsiders or friends cannot. Package, default, accessible from within the same package. Real-life example: consider a group of friends living in the same neighborhood. They might share a communal garden where they can plant and harvest vegetables together. The garden is accessible to all the friends in the neighborhood, but not to people from other neighborhoods. Do subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.